First scene of construction. We had started a video and it seems to have lapsed. So we are again at the address of 512 Oakton Street, Elk Grove Village, Illinois, for William Pisticitillo. So we had already started this repair video. That's why I know where the shingles are. We had already loosened all the shingles with the scraper, plastic scraper. So the next step is we're going to be removing the nails. So as you can see, barely lifting the shingles just to make sure that we aren't lifting them too high to cause any other additional damage if that's not necessary during this repair. Okay, get the top ones out. There we go. Another one here. So let me pull this shingle out. That should be all the nails now. Yep, perfect. Okay. All right, so now let's take a look at the shingles so if you look, there are cracks here, here, here. A lot of granule loss and cracks. If I dust off this granule, you can see all the shingles have been jeopardized. So in removing that shingle, we've jeopardized the integrity of the roofing system by damaging all the shingles around it. I still have to put the new shingle in and then nail the new shingle down. So at the end of this, we're making this roof susceptible to leakage. So in my opinion, this roof is non-repairable and we'd be asking for a full replacement of this roof. Thank you.